siblings, let's make a Christmas tree. It is that time of the year. Y'all already know, so don't front. Let's go ahead and do this. I am going to be using this post. They already have balloons on it. I'm going to be reusing my balloons. I made a nutcracker that I posted in some shorts. You can go ahead and check it out. And I figure since the wind did what it had to do during the parade, I might as well keep the base and just add a Christmas tree at the top. So this is going to be our stem. This right here is a 6-inch balloon. This is a 5-inch balloon, blew up to a 4-inch. And now we're just gonna go ahead and add the rest of our tree, and I'll show you step by step. Next, what you're gonna need is some type of sizer, any type of sizer. I like this. I wouldn't say I love this sizer, just because it's a little too soft for my liking, so it doesn't, I don't know. It's just a little too soft for my liking when it comes to where the holes are. This hole works well just because of the tightness of it. So does this one, the 10-inch. The 12-inch I don't typically use. And even the 8-inch is not that bad. But for these 4 inches, see how wobbly it is? So it's not my favorite. I am considering getting the wood one, but then I know I have to break it apart and reassemble it every time. What I love about this particular one is that when I am about to fold them, I take one side, take the other side, and literally push it in and slide it right back here. Okay? And to open it, same thing. Pop it out. Okay? But that's another topic. Now we now have 4. For this balloon, 4 won't do it. So I need to create actually 6 for it to work how we want it. To give it that roundness and not that box, we have to do 5 of these. Push it down for it to keep that full, flat roundness that I was telling you about. Let me take the camera and show you what it looks like. This is what we was going for. See how it's kind of look like a flower? Super cute. See that tightness?